there's less fish and chips where Liz. Oh, about that. She wants me alone. So you guys wait out here, okay?
Hey! I wanted the fried clam.
And I wanted a sea pony.
Life ain't fair.
I'm back. Loser, party of one. Right this way, please. Place still stinks.
Oh, I'm sorry. We're down a butler today. Princess.
Where is he?
You know I've dreamed of this. You wanting something from me, and me watching you squirm like a worm on a hook.
I'm so flattered that you dream of me. I haven't given you a thought since I left.
Obviously. You have your perfect little life, don't you?
Doesn't she have the perfect little life?
And we're 20 years into a garbage strike.
Listen, if you have some kind of score to settle with me...
You need my husband a part of this.
It may be a little unnecessary, but, it is so much fun. Here's the deal.
Just like your mother, always a catch.
If you win, it's free to go. Don't you want to know what I get if I win?
Still dreaming.
Last time I checked.
On 3.
1,
2, 3.
You know, that whole princess act. Ugh. Never bought it for a second. You could stick a tiara on a villain, but you're still a villain.
And you can slap a pirate hat on, but you're still shrimpy.
If I win, you get me Grand Theater's one staff.
Now, if you want Beastie Boy back, bring me magic wand to my ship tomorrow at 12 noon. Sharp. Oh, and if you blab, you can kiss your baby goodbye.
Rex, I lost. Uma wants the grand pint wand.
Wait a fast bear minute. Tails has a 3D printer. He can make grand as wand.
Yes, Tails does have a 3D printer. Okay, but how does he deliver it?
There's no Wi-Fi here, but be lucky I have data on my phone. Hey Tails, it's Golden Freddy. I was wondering if you can make grand as wand. Or would you? Great. Okay, bye. Okay, he said he's making it now. And how he's delivering it. My dad has all named Hedwig. Cheese and Snowy all. Oh, that's her. Bring it here, girl. Tails, you're awesome, Fox. I could ask for. Alright, gang, let's save my dad.
How's it feel being a king now, eh?
Give it a rest. Give it a rest. We don't want damaged goods.
You said that I could hook him.
I said at noon.
Twenty more minutes. That says 11:30.
You better hope your girlfriend comes through.
Mm-hmm.